Abanasaba bebembiro bari kubakurra bagezeho kutahira ofisi ya RDC wa Ntungamo ahanshonga zo koma Juliet uwamurera owirwaro rya Kitwe Health Center ya kana obaru kugira ngo akanagijura mukazo wabira izire kuzara omubwire bwa Nohiri.
But if the ambulance had no fuel, how did they expect the midwife to accompany the mother? We know we are supposed to accompany the mother at the facility where we are referring, but we had no means of transport. So we are here to find out, after listening to all those stories, why is Juliet, who did the right thing, being imprisoned? 2, how best can we improve the service delivery in our services? Because being a midwife does not mean that I have to be on the side. I have to put my airtime, call the doctor, call the security officer, put the ambulance, the fuel in the ambulance.
Aba babanu batinisiriza kureta hakaba hamujukira rwa presidenti echaretera yaterra polisi aho naho okuma obusinge.
Even after delivery, these people went back to the health center, to the maternity. And when they reached there, she was not attended to. Till the morning at 7, she had to discharge herself.
We are here. That's why we accepted when we heard that people, especially the leaders of the nursing fraternity, want to be here with us. We said yes, as long as they want to come and get information, they are very free. So that maybe either you correct us or we correct you. Because what is important is perfect service delivery only.
RDC wa Ntungamo yajumire ikikorwa cy'abanasaba bakora ecyari kugira ngo amarwaro no bagatwara mu nkamabara.
There are so many cases even beyond this that have happened, but nobody was arrested. But they were taken through a professional kind of disciplinary actions. They are disciplined and the respective officers came back order. So please, when RDC, this channel of disciplining professionals is it motivating, is it meaning, is actually going to cause even more harm than good.
Kitwe Health Center ya kana ni muhamarwara garu kusinga yo kwakira abarwire nyamwingi bito bohereza bucirya hansi nuko kushaba bebembeza hamwe na government okubakwatiraho gasha kwa Simon na Yamba.